Yeah, crypto research is very important because if you're as legit as this crypto platform is, there are still a lot of scam projects that you don't want to be caught in. You don't want to be caught on with. All right. So now when we come to CoinMarketCap right here, where you do most of your research is CoinMarketCap. I'm going to take you through the other processes. All right. Now, first of all, on CoinMarketCap, if you log in whether with mobile phone or with laptop, the navigation is quite the same. All right, so here it talks about the trending coins. All right, when you tap there, you see about the trending coins. So you can see that Bitcoin is trending. Of course, Bitcoin is the most talked about coin, followed by Ripple because of their court case that they're currently on right now, and then Ethereum because of the Ethereum mesh and the Ethereum proof of work right here, and some other token and some other cryptocurrency right here. So now once you click on the trending coin, you will see the spotlight, the cryptocurrency that is actually in the spotlight. Definitely the trending coin should be in the spotlight. All right, then the next thing you also see are top gainers and top losers. So you see the top gainers right here, those coins that are actually gaining a bit much, and those ones that are losing big time, top losers, are displayed here. Note something that you have to note is that there are parameters that this highlights here work on, such as 24 hours top gainers. So we decide to check the last 1 hour top gainers by just changing that parameter or changing this to the past 7 days top gainers. Okay, X-Ripple is actually topping the entire crypto market. Last 30 days top gainers. Okay, Terra is topping there. Terra Classic rather is topping there. Then we have let me switch back to 24 hours top gainers, okay, because we are always looking at the crypto market. Then the top 100 cryptocurrency, or either or the entire list rather. Okay, top 100 or the entire list. So if I leave these at the entire list, so I'll be able to see the top gainers of some other random coins. All right, some other random coins on the market, then the top losers of all other random coins with whatever level, because every cryptocurrency is ranked with what we call market cap. Market cap is the total investment evaluation that's of money that has been put into the particular cryptocurrency by every users. All right, then if I click here and click top 500, so I'm looking for the top gainers of the top 500 cryptocurrency in the crypto market. All right, then I can decide to go down to the 500. All right, so if I scroll down, I'll see a whole lot of them. There are a whole lot of them. Okay, even Dogecoin is there, and then this particular one is 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 is there. Okay, I might want to check this out. It looks attracting. So then Santos FC fan. All right, so now we've checked the trending coins. So the next one is the most visited, which is the most visited token. All right, 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 has sat here for so long, looking like a music on Apple Store, so on Apple Play. So it's been sitting here for too long, then followed by these, and then these are Bitcoin, and they have been the most visited cryptocurrency so far. Okay, so I'm going to be making video on every one of them sooner or later. Then recently added are cryptocurrencies that are just being added to the market. All right, these are cryptocurrencies that are just being added to the market. So you see coins that were added like 1 hour ago, about 1 hour ago, 7 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 12 hours ago. Okay, this doesn't really mean that this cryptocurrency have not been existing. It means that they are just being verified and added to the CoinMarketCap, and it doesn't being added to CoinMarketCap does not show that they are actually original or they are good. Okay, I think this one was added 11 hours ago, and then I searched this. It was launched on KuCoin. Okay, I actually saw it didn't launch on KuCoin, and then it's just been added here. Let me see. Okay, maybe I'll make video on it. I don't know. Yeah, I do about okay, previous. This was supposed to be an okay. You can see I said it. It was launched on KuCoin first before bringing it right here. It's supposed to be an NFT. This is supposed to be an NFT, but okay, this is the token version. So this particular crypto was launched on KuCoin. All right, so let's go back and complete our searching later. I will check that. Let me get the tag right there. Okay, so now you will see a whole list of different cryptocurrencies that is just being added to the market, and you could check them out. Now let's say I want to make a research on cryptocurrency, so I'll have to click on cryptocurrency right here and to view all of them by rank. Okay, so we're talking about cryptocurrency right here. Now scroll all the way down. Now when we're viewing the entire cryptocurrency market right here, you could see some navigation helps right here. You could customize your tab, all right, the way you want it. Okay, I'll leave mine just the way it is, or you could just use the filter option, all right there. Okay, so if I tap on the filter option, now most people might decide to look for crypto that are verified, that are already let's add filter. Now why most people when you are searching for cryptocurrency, most people might just decide to go for coins or go for other tokens, but for me I want to go for all cryptocurrency. You know, coin is a cryptocurrency that has its own blockchain, and tokens is a cryptocurrency that is on another crypto's blockchain. All right, so I just leave all crypto check. Then the market cap. So now here you decide the market cap of the coin, like I explained in my previous video, and I've also explained earlier in this video. Market cap is the total amount of money that has been invested into a particular crypto, the total amount that is being invested into that coin. So that's what is called a market cap. All right, so the more the market cap, the higher the growth of that token. Okay, so if you buy a coin with a small market cap, when the market cap increases to like a huge amount, your money increases to equivalent of that amount. All right, if you understand me properly, let's say you bought a coin when it was still $1 million, all right, and the market cap increased to $2 million. Eventually, let's say you bought that coin with $100, eventually your money in your wallet should be about $100 approximately, because the coin has increased by 100%. All right, if you understand me right now. So now here I could decide to choose market cap below $1 million, or I could decide to choose crypto with market cap between $0 to $1 million, which I'm gonna do right here. Okay, apply filter. All right, then price. Okay, you could decide to choose price, but for me this price is not important. It's not important. I've explained that in a video I uploaded about market cap, why price is not important, but market cap is important while trying to invest in a cryptocurrency. So check out that video. I will link it around this video right here. So now I don't need that. Then change. Okay, I don't really need much of change right now. Okay, so leave that. So volume. Okay, here you could decide to choose the volume range. Okay, I don't need that right here. Circulating supply, you could decide to choose the circulating supply. All right, that's who this circulating supply also affects the price. Okay, so you could choose circulating supply with less than 1 billion. Circulating supply affects the prices. Okay, like I've said that again, so I'll leave that. Now mintable, you could decide to choose if the crypto should be mineable or not. Okay, cryptocurrencies that are not mineable, you could see, if you notice from the background, as I'm choosing all these parameters, there are some changes that are being applied. Okay, so let me make it not mineable. All right, then okay, then I could choose audited. Now these are cryptocurrencies that have been audited by some great industry, and they find them as worth investing in. Okay, so I might have to check this mineable. I need cryptocurrency that is mineable. So now I'm done choosing my parameters. Then there is no crypto below that market cap, below this market cap that is mineable. Let's choose crypto like this. Apply filter. Ooh. Okay, between the range of 1 million to 10 million, there are just two cryptos within this market cap that is mineable, and that crypto is 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗧𝗏, and I guess they should be coin on their own. So I'm gonna have to just choose this one below this market cap right here. Below this market cap right here. Okay, so in order not to work with a huge list, let me just apply this and check out this. Okay, these cryptos are between $1 to $10 million, and the market cap, and it's audited already. If I choose not audited, so I don't know if the list will increase. Oh, there are a whole lot of lists that are yet to be audited, a whole lot of lists, but they are mineable. Okay, let me choose that and then increase. Why I choose a cryptocurrency that is mineable? It shows that okay, there are people that are actually it actually has a utility in that area. Okay, in that area, people love to mine cryptos and stuff like that. So now let's look at this one. For instance, let me open them in different tabs, and let me open this one also in another tab. Now, first of all, what we are looking at here, the price here is about $0.0008627 per one 𝗬𝗓𝗏. All right, and the market cap right here is actually $3 million. Okay, fully diluted is about $8 million, $8.5 million, and the total supply and maximum supply is 10 million pieces, which is actually great. All right, great. Now the next thing you have to look out for is how it has performed in the past one day, 7 days, past 1 month, past 3 months. Okay, how it has performed in the past 3 months. It has really done pretty good. Okay, I think it went really haywire on the 7th. Okay, on the 7th of this month, the growth was extreme. All right, it was extreme. Okay, so here you see other people's comment, other people's experience by the right hand side of this bar right here. You see people are saying bearish, pump and dump. They are giving different comments. Someone is saying you wanna reach booty now, big pumping, hold, and you see Lambo, okay, good luck, blah blah blah. So you see a lot of comments here. All right, so if it's a fake coin, you also see people's experiences before you actually buy. Then if you scroll all the way down, you will see write up about the cryptocurrency. Okay, now when you're looking for a write up about cryptocurrency, look for a cryptocurrency that has a good utility. So that if I click on the more button, that's where look for a cryptocurrency that have a utility that you can relate with. All right, even if you can't relate with it, you have to investigate before you buy into it. Then look at it on exchanges that this particular cryptocurrency is actually on, whether they are trustworthy or not. Okay, the confidence in those exchanges. So it's actually on different exchanges right here, and they have about more than 5 high confidence in this particular crypto. So let's go back up. All right, so now if I want to do deeper research, you can check the chain that is on. You can see that it's also on smart chain. So if I copy the smart chain address, it's also on Ethereum address. So I go to their website, check their community. Their community includes their Twitter. So I mostly just go with Twitter and then leave the rest. Then the next place that I might want to check is PooCoin. Now, why would I want to check PooCoin? What I want to check is if this particular crypto, PooCoin helps you to tells you if the crypto is actually deflational or not. All right, because most times there's about too much information right here that you don't really just know by just looking, because you are looking at other stuffs. So on PooCoin right here, what I have to do is copy the control ID of the BSC scan side. Okay, PooCoin, you can only check BSC's chart, BSC scan, and paste it in there and click on the token. So on this KuCoin here, you could see the market cap right here, okay, the total supply right here, and then you could see the BNB holding of this particular cryptocurrency. They have about $30,000 worth of BNB holding. Then they also see the if they have any BUSD holding or something, okay, or USDT holding. So on KuCoin, you see the real price chart. Okay, there has been a huge amount of sell up in the past 30 minutes. Okay, the market has really plunged, and let's say you can even check in days on KuCoin. You can even check, okay, yeah, that's the price right there. So you can even scroll down back to the time when the crypto was actually launched. All right, but I don't want us to go through all the stress. So beneath it, you could see the buy and the sell within that day. Okay, let me go back to 30 minutes. Yeah, at this bottom right here, you could see the transaction details. Okay, it looks like nobody transacted on this particular crypto today. Okay, but there is a lot of sellers, buyers. Okay, some person did transacted tokens. All right, so some person did transacted on that particular token. So you can also see their Twitter handle if they have a good community. Cryptocurrencies that have a good community, you see those that follow them, if they are actually people. This also tells the kind of people that actually bought the token. By sometimes you could just see the followers. Okay, now if I click on followers, some of them I am following, some I'm not following. So you see that they have been followed by BitKeep wallet, they have been followed by 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗧𝗏, they have been followed by so many other persons. So you can check if it's actually real Twitter followers. Most people, they used to just buy followers and then to scam people. Then the next thing you check in is with the holding people that holds it. Okay, this particular cryptocurrency is actually mineable, proof of stakes, DeFi, privacy. Okay, yeah, that's good. So it's been audited by 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏. All right, and this cryptocurrency exists on two chains, that's Ethereum chain and Binance Smart chain. So I'm just gonna check the Ethereum chain right here. Now you also check if it's verified on BSC scan. Yeah, most legit cryptocurrency are not verified, especially if they are new. They will just come up, but the legit ones are always verified as soon as possible. Okay, the holdings. So now look at the holdings. The first address holds 55%. The second holds about 22%. That's 77%. Then this one makes it approximately 80% is held by the first three addresses, and the first four addresses, and the fourth one is actually KuCoin holding about 5%. So now most times if the first three addresses is holding more than about 90%, you should just don't have anything to do with that particular crypto, because oneself will just end the entire cryptocurrency, and this oneself will still end it though, because KuCoin seems to own the larger share of this crypto, because I don't know the rest of the other exchanges if they are holding. Some are at Uniswap right here. You can see it right here. Uniswap hold just about 0.717%. So the crypto that is mostly owned by majority owns the crypto whose majority owners are from the crypto community is actually the ones that actually don't fluctuate the most. All right, because there's no will or someone who holds a larger quantity to push the market far and near. All right, so that's how I make my crypto researches. Okay, and then before I invest into any coin. All right, so thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video.
So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.
All right.